Hey, what's up? This is Andrew from AM Projects. Thanks for watching another video. I explained my plans for this at the very end, so make sure you stick around. But this is a very long video of my demolition phase on this. So this is part one, and part at least 2 or 3 will be on its way here in another month or so. See ya. Oh, and right about now, I know what you're thinking because I'm thinking the same thing watching my videos. This dad bod is getting out of control. I know, and I try to tell myself it's really about what's underneath that counts. But man, I gotta do something about it. My therapist tells me one thing at a time, so we'll see.
Okay, very nice. Oh my god. I'm fighting this stupid screw. Tell you what, thing's in there. That stinks. I think that worked pretty well.
is disgusting. The drain is the only thing holding me back. And I just need to get the tub out of here because the trash is coming tomorrow. When you're doing bathroom demolition, don't keep wasting blades. Just use it, get over it. Are you serious? Mason! Let's put these on. What the fuck? This is not good. Is this not the right size? What the fuck size is this? Oh, this is not good. This is not good at all. Because I can't turn the water back on. Unless I get... What the hell? What fucking size pipe is this? Well, I poo-pooed up. Son of a turd. Unless this is Schedule 80. CPVC. For hot water. Oh. Son of a biscuit. Well. Take this piece. In case I gotta go to Lowe's. That really chaps my butt. I would imagine that the cold side is the same thing. Okay, this nightmare is the cold. May have been a bad idea. How much water do you think is in there? I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm desperate. Water is off. Hopefully the drain on the hot water heater works. Or we might have a big mess. See, I thought I had gotten it all up, but this is actually the floor. This is actually the glue from the linoleum they had down before, which is really hard to get up. And I'll have to put some floor leveler back on it whenever I'm ready to put the flooring down, but I just don't feel comfortable. This is like the top paperish stuff, or the bottom of the linoleum. So I wouldn't feel good about leaving that down. Here's a quick PSA for all the YouTube fanatics out there. I don't have a microphone for this next part, and if you can't understand it, I don't know what to tell you because I'm not writing out all those subtitles. I also don't mess with lighting much either, so if that's something that you truly care about watching a YouTube video, I'd say you probably won't get that on this channel. But I do hope you enjoy it all. And I would think of it more like your grandfather's old videotapes of your family way back in the time that he showed you guys. Mother. Stay with me here. This was the toilet. It's gonna move over. I'm taking this door out. This was the pedestal sink by itself, and I'm moving that where the counter was. So it'll be a counter, a sink, mirror, and a shelf in the wall. But there is going to be a tub and a shower. So the tub, I'm going to make myself. I'm gonna make it a frame, cement board, basically like cement my own tub, then put tile. It'll more or less resemble some sort of like cold plunge that you would find at a gym or something like that. The side is gonna be tall. It's gonna be tall and skinny. I'll have like a little step, but you'll have to like get into it, you know? Like it's gonna be tall and it's gonna fill up to the very top, and when it runs over, I'll put maybe a little valley or something, but it's gonna run over into the shower. So you can fill it all the way up. I do want this to serve multiple purposes. I want it to be able to, you can fill it up and drain it just like a normal tub and it not be that much water. So it's gonna be skinnier and taller. So I don't want some huge mega tub that's like 350 gallons every time you wanna fill it up. I also primarily will use it as a cold plunge. Is put it back here. I'm gonna frame it all around, and then I'm actually going to maybe build this cubby, build it up, and have this full of shelving, recessed shelving, that would encase the cold plunge water chiller. Because I'm thinking at this point, I don't want to plummet into the actual bathtub. I just want to put the hoses over it. It might look a little funny, but one, less likely to leak. And two, I want someone else after me to be able to remove it and not have to use it. And often with this plumbing, like I saw whenever I took this tub out, even if you get multiple shower ports or whatever, like you have to run that at least every week. You gotta clean it out. Water that sits in there for a long period of time. Molds, mildews, and that's not good. Then you can't use it. Like then you can't really clean it out. Like it will never get clean and you'll be soaking in that nasty, moldy water. Not good. Cut the slab in multiple places. If this is the drain for the sink, I don't know if I either just cap that off and cut and run into here. I don't know. That's the mystery. The door to the sunroom is here, and this is my room. So I'm gonna take this door out. It's just gonna be a wall. I'm gonna essentially put the toilet right here, and I'm gonna rebuild this shelving with a countertop with a sink on it. The countertop, just like this one, will probably be shallow, and it'll have probably a custom made tile sink, just like I make the tile bathtub. Squarish, brown, Texas theme, stone-ish, not too expensive. I was possibly thinking like scrap pallet wood white walls. I'm not sure. Take off the popcorn ceiling. Oh, I'm gonna hate that. And float the walls that are left so it's smooth. And yeah, that's the plan. So the sink was here, it will now be here. So I've got to get the plumbing down the walls. The plumbing down the wall. This sink drain actually drains farther towards the tub. So I've either got to connect all of this to drain here, to drain out this way, and put a bit up that connects to this main bit. I'm not sure. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a while, but it's gonna be awesome.